In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Hello everybody, how are you doing? We're doing great with the mercy and grace of Almighty Allah. My name's NA Saqib, I'm your Usman, IELTS trainer. Additionally, been also teaching the students of spoken English for the last 20 years at the platform of Genius Institute, Lahore. My today's lecture would be about reading subtests of the IELTS again, and particularly about how to skim and how to scan. Skimming and scanning are universal reading techniques, so they've got their particular significance here. When it comes to IELTS reading, and particularly about academic IELTS, when there are long and complex texts, so its significance is even more enhanced. So, skimming actually is a rapid eye movement to get the general overview. Rapid eye movement, interesting phrase. Rapid eye movement to get the general overview, to get the general idea. And when skimming is used, particularly when reading a long chapter of a book, or doing research on a long article in a magazine or a newspaper. So what you do in such cases, you'll probably read the first sentences of each paragraph, dropping down to the end of the paragraph. So here in IELTS, how to do the skimming and how to skim particularly. Here we go. I'll give you some tips. Number one, read the first paragraph attentively. Yes, the first paragraph carries immense importance because it is going to carry the introduction of the whole text, of the whole passage. So the first paragraph should be studied attentively, carefully, painstakingly to get the general idea, or to get particular idea of what will be discussed in the text. So you can underline each line and importantly circle the significant words. Give due importance to the first paragraph. Number two, read the first and sometimes the second sentence of each paragraph. So they give the main idea of the paragraph as a matter of fact. The first line actually contains the theme of each paragraph. So it's once again significant. And after you have read the first sentences, your eyes should drop down to the end of the paragraph looking for important pieces of information such as names, dates, any numerical information. So you got to do all that through rapid eye movement. And next point would be, the next tip would be in skimming, read the last paragraph attentively as well. I beg your pardon. So the first paragraph and the last paragraph and the first line of the first sentence and sometimes the second sentence of each paragraph as well. So they are important. So read the last paragraph attentively, as it may contains the summary. Maybe the whole passage has been summarized in the last paragraph. So it's also extremely significant. As far as the scanning is concerned, how to scan, you know about the scanning. It's a time-saving skill, more than anything else. It's a time-saving skill. So the first concept of the scanning is underline or circle the important information while reading the text, and you can underline dates, numbers, names, all that stuff. And the second point would be, when you read the questions, identify the keywords and scan the text for it. So you have to scan the important keywords in the text which are related to the question keywords. But you are not looking forward to the exact words try to find the meaning in the text. Maybe in the text, the keywords of the questions are paraphrased or some synonyms have been used. So finding the exact words would maybe take you towards the information related, but not exactly the answer. You have to find the answer while just doing a bit of work on that. So this way, you will find the answer more quickly, for sure. My dear friends, thank you very much. This was a very brief lecture about how to skim and how to scan. These are universally accepted reading techniques, so they should be utilized appropriately in the reading subjects of the IELTS, and they can give you a lot of advantage. God bless you all. Thank you very much indeed. Take care of yourself. See you in another uploaded video. God bless you all. Bye.